So before we get started with the next video in this alphabet series, I did want to touch on a question that I get quite a bit, and that is, what if my hand will not make that shape? Or what if my fingers won't move in that way? If it hurts, don't do it. Just try your best. So sometimes there is mobility issues with your hands, just the way that your body is, so you'll just try the best that you can. Some people have also mentioned that they only have use of one side of their body, or like one arm or one hand. Modified signs, whenever you need to use them for that purpose, as far as accommodating to your body or special needs, definitely is okay. So if you have any questions, just drop them below, and I hope you enjoy this video. In this video, we're going to learn the correct way to sign the letter I. So with your dominant hand, or the one that you write with, you're going to have your pinky sticking up, and then the rest of your fingers down, and then thumb tucked over. I. I. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to check out Sign Tribe Academy to improve your sign language skills today.